We made it.
We made a team.
We did the mobile check-in.
51.
So we don't know exactly how to get to our room.
Go to where you go.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We did that. We did the online check-in. So we don't need to check in at the front desk. Room number sent to us. So we were just literally gonna use our phone, but we still don't know where. Oh my gosh, I love this tree. We don't know where in the resort the room is. So we're gonna have to ask. Look at that big beautiful tree though. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Getting those photos in though. Get out of your way. I'm gonna go ask where our room is, honey. Yes, so we are DVC. So we are staying in the Boulder Ridge Villas. So the very kind lady directed us to follow the Boulder Ridge Villas sign. And we all know I'm a shaky walker. Hi! And filmer. So I'm just going to follow and stop filming because I jerk around a lot. But oh my gosh, these decorations though here are stunning. All right. I know. So I'll stop until we get to the room. To the Boulder Ridge Villas. I didn't bring our running clothes. I did bring our swimming clothes though.
Well, we ran yesterday.
And this morning, you mean? All right, no more walking and filming. I'm so bad at that. Oh my gosh.
Exclusive. I like.
We have our own tree in here. It's like a secondary lobby tree. You guys. So we're 1546, so we are straight ahead, according to that map.
First floor, right?
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You guys stop it though. Oh my goodness, it's a mini lobby.
I love it. Sturdy branches is a jam.
Cute.
There's a little bit of branch.
And then there's a little couch and fireplace area. It must be this way.
Villa is in winter.
Restrooms.
Ooh.
Good to know where the bagnios are. And this is a sweet sitting area with a big old fireplace. Oh my gosh, look at the Santa. Ah!
I like those chairs.
And the big wreath. We gotta put that big bag down. Sorry,
Oh, nice.
I got distracted.
It's cute.
It's so cute in here. Room 1546. We used our phone to go directly to your room, and I unlocked the door because they don't have key cards or anything. So this is the traditional deluxe studio. I'm fairly certain we did not do the 2-bedroom or anything crazy because it's just Abel and I for the one night, but we've got some fun wilderness inspired art here hanging right when you come in. And then this is pretty much the lay of the land. We've got the bathroom on the left, the kitchenette on the right, and then the bedroom and living areas straight ahead. So we'll do bathroom first. What's really nice is they kind of have this sliding barn door for privacy. We've been married 6 years, so that privacy is out the window. We'll just keep that open, I'm sure. We've got toilet, towels. Look at this sweet little picture. I feel like this must be from a Disney movie or something that I'm just not remembering. So comment below if you know, because I'm sure that I will have people tell me. Toilet paper, tissue, more towels, more tissue, washcloths, toilet itself. We have the sink with lotions, and Abel's already busted out the soap. And then we've got over here these little corner shelves that have the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, as well as a hair dryer. What's interesting is that the shower is definitely level with the tile in the bathroom. So this must have great drainage because I feel like it would flood. But we've got the shower, detachable shower head. The colors in here are very wildernessy. It's super cute. Here's a little kitchenette. We've got a mini fridge. There we go. Nice size. Little microwave. Cabinet with some pretty nice storage. I mean, that top shelf would definitely fit boxes of cereal, things like that. Paper towels, washcloth, sponge, and dish soap. Paper towels, some paper plates and cups if you're bringing back like quick service food to the room, which is probably what we're gonna do. We might eat there. We've got recycling and garbage below. And then of course we've got the coffee maker and the, look at this, the 50th Joffrey's tea. Nope, 50th Joffrey's coffee. I bought Abel some of these in the K-Cups and you liked it, right honey?
Yeah.
I think you drank through it all already.
I did, yeah.
I am not seeing any tea. Usually they include coffee and tea. I guess just coffee this time. Little toaster, super cute. Bed, you can see a bowl on it for size. I would say that this is probably a queen.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a king.
I don't think it's a king either.
Yeah, I'd say queen. And then we have, oh, let me go here. I'm assuming this is just storage. Yeah. So we've got a wardrobe, very European. You can hang your clothes. You've got a safe. And then you have an ironing board and iron and some extra pillows and blankets. Oh. Trying to reach the door there. There we go. Oh, and a fire hydrant. Well, that's good. In case the room catches on fire. Here's the little seating area. We've already popped our stuff on there from the park. We've got the TV. I love watching the Resort Channel and seeing Lori on Explorers.
Yes, that's my favorite.
She was our manager for the Wilderness Explorers program at Animal Kingdom, and they have an advertisement for it that she is in, so we like watching her. Nightstand with the room phone and remote for the TV. Nice set of drawers. Looks like 4 in the dresser, but I mean, I'm 5'2", and this comes pretty much to my shoulder, so this is very tall, very deep. You could fit a lot of stuff in there, which is great. Oh yeah, so you can adjust it for when you're in the bed. Awesome, honey. You can get that all set up for us. And then I imagine that this is a trundle. No, sorry, trundle is what goes under the bed. What is that called? Sofa sleeper. So what I'm saying is I think that pulls out to a bed. But we won't need that obviously. But if you have another adult in here, probably 3 to 4 adults, then you've got 2 on the bed, 2 on the sofa sleeper. We do have a connecting room, it looks like. So we just can't be loud. We don't want to be disruptive. Woohoo! Let's take a look at,
oh wow,
the humid.
Florida.
Oh my gosh, there's the thing. Can you get out? I think you can.
That's nice.
That must have locked it. Oh, so that means it was unlocked. That's a little dangerous. No, that is definitely locked. So what am I doing wrong? Is there oh, there's 2. There's 2 locks. There's one at the top and at the bottom. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Clearly.
Can I help you?
Yeah. There's definitely 2 locks, but there's just between holding the camera and the curtains. So is down unlocked?
There's one more.
Oh, there's 3.
Yeah. So.
Oh, for the love.
Hang on.
So is down lock? Or maybe up is...
Maybe up, I think. Yeah, here. Let's try up, all right?
All right. How many people with how many degrees does it take to open the dang
cool.
door? Oh, it's so cute. You guys can see absolutely nothing because it's 6 o'clock and pitch black.
Hello, neighbors.
But it's a really sweet, hopefully you can kind of see from the light in our room, a sweet little set of chairs and side table. And then it's, I mean, like a backyard, like a little patio with grass, and there's a hedge right here that blocks, I'm sure, the next set of rooms or the road or whatever that is. But I'm gonna say that probably goes back 10 feet. So if you had like a picnic blanket or whatever, you could sit out there. That is so cute. Okay, Well, like 10 minutes of this 7-minute video was working the darn door, but oh my gosh, it's so cute, honey. I love it. Mom definitely enjoys the 2-bedroom because she likes the space and the actual bed rather than the sofa sleeper. But I think if you are a small family or just a couple like us, this is plenty of space.
Especially if you're going to the park. So
yeah, I mean, we were at the park. Yeah, I mean, we were at the park from 11 to 6 today, so. Alrighty.
You know that channel, guys.
We got that channel on. Ready to go get some dinner, honey?
You know, I'm gonna put my shoes and I'll go get some dinner.
Okay. Alright. If you guys enjoyed, thumbs up, subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Why are you so cute?